How to find Ton address on your Trust Wallet application. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallet by clicking the link in the description below. Start by opening up your Trust Wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then what you need to do is to simply either search for it, or you can click on Manage Crypto on the top right and search for Ton coin. Now once you have searched for this, make sure that it is enabled. Then you're gonna need to search for it and then click on it. Now as you can see, we have the option of receive, so simply click on it and there you have it. Now you can simply copy your wallet address and you can copy and paste it in any third-party wallet that you are using like Binance, but make sure to see the network which is going to be on the top of your screen, which is Ton network. So you need to keep this point in mind that only Ton network will going to be supported for this transaction. Hope this helped. This is how you can find Ton address on Trust Wallet application.